How to change text to speech voice on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to change text to speech voice on TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up your TikTok and you will get on the For You page. And now you have to create a new video. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna click on this plus button, how we usually create a video on TikTok. And for this purpose, I'm just gonna hold for a few seconds and create a video. Alright, so I have a 5-second video. So I'm gonna just click on done and now I have this video. So to add a text, we have to just click on this text option right here and type the text we want to here. So I'm just gonna say hello everyone and I'm gonna click on done. So this is our text now, and let's add text to speech on my text. So I'm just gonna click on right here, and the first option we get is text to speech. I'm just gonna click on it, and now it has a voice. So let's just hear it, what voice it is. So you can see it's a female voice. Okay, now I want to change it. So we have a trick for that I personally use and it works. So what I'm gonna go to the text again, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the text in another language if I want. Okay, so we have this text right here and I'm gonna add it right here. We're gonna do text to speech. Now what will happen is that we will actually get a text to speech for this language, or we can actually go with others. For example, now if I listen to this voice,
hello everyone.
now this voice is going to be another voice for me, and we kind of work with this, that if you add the text again, even if this one, it will change the voice. Hopefully it works for me. Another way we can change our voice is by going to the voice effects right here, and it will allow me to add cool effects to my voiceover, and it also works. So I'm just gonna cancel the voices for now. So yeah guys, this is how you can change the text to speech voice on TikTok. I hope that works for you. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.